Hey everybody, it's Friday! So, I promised a video on Friday, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm in a car right now, and I don't know what to do. So I'm slowly gonna try to figure it out. And I will be wearing my glasses, but there's a glare. How about I do the 20 facts about me video? But I may be doing this in different places. So I'm going to be starting off in the car and slowly be doing it somewhere else. So, yeah. Here we go. Fact number one. Fact number one, and not many people know this. Only my friends do, really. I was not born in the U.S. I was born in the UAE, on the other side of the world. And I've lived in the UAE before moving here. So, yeah. Fact number two. I have lived in 3 countries, I think. I've lived in the UAE for a couple of months, like a year. I lived in the UAE for a year, I think. And then I went here to America, and then when I turned 4, when I was 4 or 5, we moved to Japan for 2 or 3 months. And then we moved back here. So I've lived in 3 countries. Fact number 3. I've had this YouTube channel for 5 years. And I didn't post many. There was a 3-year period, I think, where I didn't even post a video. But then I started doing it. And now I want to continue doing it because it's so much fun. And yeah. Fact number 4. I am totally obsessed with Harry Potter. And it's gotten to the point where I can basically recite the first movie. And my dad refuses to watch the first movie with me because I'm basically sitting there reciting it the whole time. Fact number 5. I have never seen The Lion King. People want to kill me when I say that because I've never seen it. And apparently I need to. Do I really need to? It's just another Disney movie. But I have seen most of the others, which is kind of a lie, because I had no childhood. Let's just leave it at that. Fact number 6. I have been to 5 concerts in my life. I've been to a Demi Lovato concert. I have been to 2 Big Time Rush concerts. I have been to a Heffron Drive concert, and I have been to a Miley Cyrus concert. And all of those concerts were absolutely so much fun, and I love the fact that I can say that my first concert was a Demi Lovato concert in 2009. 7! You can never ask me what my favorite song is, because my favorite song changes every day. Usually my favorite song is just this song is currently stuck in my head. And right now it's Miles Away by Memphis Mayfire featuring Kellen Quinn. And I've had that replaying in my head over and over and over and over. But yeah, even yesterday, apparently, Bulletproof Love by Pierce Seville wanted to be in my head the whole day. So it basically changes from what song's in my head. So don't ever ask me what my favorite song is. Number 8. I have never been on a roller coaster. I'm not even allowed to go to Six Flags, and I've never been to an amusement park that had a real-life roller coaster, so I've never been on a roller coaster. 9. I used to do performances a lot, and I'd be in every single one right after the other, but I've only ever had a lead in one of them, and it was Jafar in Aladdin. Fact number 10. I have only ever been in 2 relationships. 1, 11. I am currently obsessed with the Vlog Brothers channel, and I was up till 1 in the morning yesterday watching John and Hank videos. Fact number 12. My dad's side of my family, my dad's side, is so big to the point where I don't even know some of the names of my cousins. And it's to the point where I haven't even met some of my cousins. I have 9 aunts and uncles on that side, and all of them live in either Tennessee or Michigan, and I'm in Tennessee right now. But I've never met some of my cousins, and they're to the point where my cousins have kids, and I don't even know them. So it's a big family. There's some part of this family where my aunt or one of my aunts or uncles had a kid, and then they had a kid, and then that kid has a kid. So I don't even know this family. Fact number 13. I thought it'd be appropriate to say that this for fact number 13. My favorite musical, one of my favorite musicals, is 13's musical on Broadway, and I love it. I think it's an awesome show, and I wish I would have been able to see it live. 14! I have played the baritone for the past 3 years. I started in 6th grade when band was just an after-school club, and I've been doing it ever since. And I hope to be able to play it next year when I start high school, and all throughout high school as well. Fact number 15. I have 1,513 followers on Twitter, 1,513. And I'm so grateful for all those followers, even though one of my friends somehow has like 6,000 just because he retweeted something. Fact number 16. The Big Time Rush official account follows me on Twitter. Steven Glickman follows me on Twitter, and Carlos Penna has answered a question for me. Big Time Rush has answered a question for me, and I've met Olivia Summerlin. 17. My favorite song from The Sound of Music is the one that goes, "You are 16, going on 17. 18. I have taken Spanish for the past 3 years, but I'm really bad at it. 19. I used to have really, really crappy teeth. If you ask anyone, they will tell you how crappy my teeth was. I had vampire teeth. I had teeth back here, over here, and my mouth was so tiny as well. But now it looks so much better. But it sucked before. 20! I believe that everyone should be entitled to their own opinions, and I hate it when people undermine other people just because their opinion may be different from their own. And I think that everyone should be equal and that everyone should have the rights as someone else. And I just think everyone should be able to have the same. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked the 20 facts about me. I'm sorry if my camera work has not been very good today. My phone's literally on top of a chair and my hand keeps shaking just like it just did there. But yeah, subscribe for more videos. Like this video, please. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!